Unfortunately, we almost have to leave Indonesia, but what a great last week we had. Welcome to the Komodo Islands.
Okay, Kenny.
Okay.
Week 23 is a wrap.
Yes.
We are Soraya and Kenny. We decided to take a gap year of work and are now traveling full time around the world. It's a crazy adventure and we want to take you along with us. Showing the most amazing beaches, eating around the world, learning about new cultures, discovering the natural wonders, searching for animals in the wild, doing some fun activities and much more. Welcome to the channel that makes you glow while traveling.
What would you have you done differently?
Probably the trip. It was a really long trip. We went by bus all the way from Lombok, so maybe that. Yeah, I think so.
After an amazing time in Lombok, especially to our hotel Yom, it was time to go to the next destination, the Komodo Islands. And it's quite incredible that we took this route. Whoa, what a long journey was ahead of us. We went from Mataram, Lombok to all the way to Wambayo, Flores. And the first bus was quite okay, Soraya could lay a little bit flat, but for me it was way too small. And all the time people were coming on board to sell some stuff. And the bus stopped also at random places to let people on and off. And this is the first time we did go on a ferry with the bus. It's a short 2-hour trip and afterwards we hop on board of the bus again. After almost 13 hours we arrive at Pima. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, right on time to catch another bus.
Next bus.
Our next stop is Sabe, where we catch the ferry in the harbor. It should be a short ride, however we just arrived there at 7:30. At 8:15 we enter the boat. So let's go, but it took a very long time until we finally left. We left around 11.
What was your least favorite part about this week? Week 23?
Ooh. Taking the ferry was very painful because it took so long to finally get to our destination. Yeah, I think this was the longest ride in my life. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. It was very long.
Okay.
But I would do it again in a heartbeat. The boat went on for a very slow pace. But there was a lot to see, a lot of things are happening on the ship, a lot of people, and we also passed by the Komodo National Park, which was a beautiful sight to see. Yeah. Around 6, when the sun already was about to set, we finally arrived at our end destination. After 29 hours, we finally arrived at our final destination, and we are starving because we hadn't had anything to eat.
What was your favorite part about this week?
Ooh, the Komodo studio.
Absolutely the boat trip. It was just amazing. We've seen such a lot of beautiful things like very nice beaches and also the wildlife and the coral. It was just amazing over there.
Okay. Nice.
Week 23 is behind us. What was your highlight?
Absolutely the Komodo trip, yeah. It was amazing. The corals, they were so vivid. The wildlife, we've seen so many animals, and then the surroundings, just amazing.
Okay.
Okay, we are ready for our next adventure. We are going to explore the Komodo Island National Park here in Indonesia. We're going on a boat for 3 days, 2 nights. Really looking forward to it. It was quite a challenge to get to this place. You can easily fly from Bali or Jakarta to Labuan Bajo, but we did it a bit different. We crossed like 3 islands all the way from Lombok to this place. It was quite a hassle. We needed to take a bus, a ferry, another bus, a ferry, and then a cab to get here. And yeah, we didn't really explore over here because we are basically here for the Komodo. So let's go. We are excited.
We were picked up from our hotel and dropped at the harbor, and from there we go by a little boat to our big ship for the upcoming 3 days. Whoa, let's go!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
We had an amazing group and amazing crew, which make this trip very unforgettable. On the ship, Sonara.
Terima kasih.
It didn't take long before we hit the water, because yeah, that's eventually why we are here. And boy oh boy, we were lucky. It was jackpot at beginning. What did you enjoy the least?
Yeah, easy one. When the GoPro broke.
Okay.
The GoPro broke on the moment suprême, so to speak, because on the next dive we saw these amazing things. Luckily for us, the rest of the group and the crew had their camera gear as well with them, so we couldn't miss these amazing shots. Wow, really cool. Here I tried to swim along with them, but I couldn't last that long. They were very fast. Our guide enjoyed having us as a model, and look at those shots again. Wow, very, very nice. After every dive there is waiting a snack, or a lunch, or a dinner, or a brekkie. It's very, very nice, and look at those amazing sunsets. Wow, it's beautiful here. And that's it for day 1. The alarm clock went off very early because we wanted to catch sunrise at a very specific point. Komodo Island. It was a climb, but it was quite doable. On the top it was quite crowded, but hey, it was very beautiful, the view from here. Yeah, a bit of pity of the crowd that it was so crowded, but hey, what you gonna do about it? After such a hike, we enjoyed a well-deserved breakfast. And after the breakfast, we took some rest. We enjoyed our private balcony, what an amazing view it was from there. And then it was already time to hit the water again, and we had some amazing coral. Wow, look at the colors again. On the pink beach, it was time again to pick up our modeling career, and wow, it was again a beautiful sight. Also, the coral here was very nice. Unfortunately, we don't have got some content.
Talking over something casual, and you got that wonder, supernatural. Breathe you in, hold it out, come around, and I know I'ma keep you in view. I've been waiting forever for somebody like
When back on board of the ship, we start immediately jump off of it again.
We don't need to take this too far. We're feeling it right where we are. You got me underwater. I can't get enough. from long ago. Pretty wind, hold it out, come around, and I know I'ma keep you in view. I've been waiting.
Next up was something we were really looking forward to see the Komodo dragon in real life. Wow, what a gigantic beast they are. But they do quite little, they just hang around there. The rangers provided us with a lot of information. They told us that they could go as fast as 20 kilometers an hour and that they bit the prey just once and then they wait till the bacteria will do their job. And a lot more facts. It's just amazing to see these animals and to know where the island, his name, originates from. Really cool to see. And back on board, you do the thing you do when you're back on board. You just jump off the boat again.
Olympics! 3, 2, 1, go!
How great to end the day in such a way. Really nice view. Or not? Maybe there is even more to this day. Whoa. Save your ears, we leave it by this.
There's nowhere I'd rather be.
And it was already our last morning, also our last day, and it started very early again, but it was absolutely fine to do that because we were the first one and had the place all to ourselves. Wow, just look at those amazing views. We cannot get enough of this, right? Wow.
There's nowhere I'd rather be. The sun is shining.
Someone was trying to chase the baby sharks for one last time before we go back to the boat. And when you arrive at the ship, what is it what you do? Of course, we jump off of it! For the last time? Well, almost the last time. Having one last breakfast, and they pulled up the anchor one last time, and that goes by hand here on the boat, and just one last time enjoying the view. Wow.
Oh, okay, yeah. Let's take a picture.
Big crew!
Yay!
And then it was really time to say goodbye. We enjoyed one last meal with the Dutchies of our group. And then it was already time to leave this beautiful country. Oh, what an amazing time we had. At least, for now.
And is there anything you would have done differently last week?
Nee. Heel prima nou.
So how's your first dish in Malaysia?
One more wine, one more whiskey.
We made it to our next destination, and even during our travels, our blind dates still continue. And this month it was a turn of Kenny, and he chose this. How cool, and a great souvenir. Then quickly we went to a food tour with our guide Danny.
And I'm scared as hell because there's no way to
We tasted some chocolate with durian flavor, although you wouldn't say it was quite tasty.
promise to give you my all. But it might break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. I won't let you down. But it might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. It might break me. It might break me. It might break me. It might break me down. But it might break me. But it might break me. It might break me. It might break me down. But it might break me. The sight of you makes me dizzy.
Very good.
Tonight I'll meet you in our favorite place. Just can't let this wait one more day. But I'm scared as hell, and there's just no way to know this goes. And I can't help but say, trusting why you are so beautiful. But it might break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. I won't let you down. But it might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. But it might break me. It might break me. It might break me. It might break me down. But it might break me. But it might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. It might break me.
This is Jen Spa in Chinatown. 4 Points Sheraton.
You're good.
Yeah.
Can I take you with my travels?
Really cool.
Come around and I know I'ma keep you in view. I've been waiting forever for somebody
Well, cheers.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, Danny.
Thank you.
Maybe we're too young to keep this right, don't change.
First bite. It's soft but crispy, and the smell is so good that you could smell it. And there's a bit of sweet taste as well. Yeah, really good.
Hey, Mike, what order? Nanti. You cuba saya, okay?
Real sweet. Real spicy. Yeah.
From long ago, breathe you in, hold it out, come around, and I know I'ma keep you in view. I've been waiting forever, there's nobody like you.
What are you looking forward to next week?
To see familiar faces, I'm really excited about this one.
Really?
Okay.
To discover the rest of Malaysia.
Are you already sick and tired of me?
No. Not yet. And are you already sick and tired of me?
No. But it is for sure coming.